This tutorial video explains how to create and manage invoices for your purchases and pay them using onlinecheckwriter.com. To get started, click the Receivables button on the side panel and select Invoice from the drop-down. You'll be taken to the invoice list page. Then, click the New button to create a new invoice. First, select a bank account from the drop-down, or add one instantly using the plus button. In the same way, choose the payer and category, or add them using the plus buttons. Provide a discount for the invoice either by amount or percentage. The invoice number and account number will be automatically generated. Also, you can edit the details if needed. Provide additional relevant information such as the purchase order number, invoice date, and due date. Select an item from the drop-down menu, or add one using the plus button. If you have previously added the item, its details will automatically fill in the fields. Otherwise, you can add them instantly. Enter the quantity for each invoice item in the corresponding column. You can also apply a discount to each product either as an amount or a percentage. The total amount, discount amount, and item total will be displayed here. To add a row according to your preference, click the Add Row button. If you need to delete a row, use this button. You can enter private notes and memos here and add any attachments using the provided button. If applicable, you can add tax to the invoice. Enter the tax name, percentage, and any relevant notes, then click Add. Apply the credit amount if available. You can view the grand total after applying all discounts and taxes here. Using this button, you can send the invoice directly via mail or email. By clicking this button, you can save the invoice. Once the invoice has been created, it will appear on the list. Using these buttons, you can print, email, SMS, mail, void, and delete the invoice. Clicking the I button will display more detailed information about the invoice. You can edit, void, and delete the invoice from there as well. Also, you can see the payment summary, audit trail, attachments, and comments here. By clicking the three-dot menu, you can do additional activities for your invoice. You can view the list of invoice items by clicking this button. To create new invoice items, click this button. Use the three-dot menu to edit or delete invoice items. By clicking this button, you'll be taken to the invoice tax list page, where you can add taxes. You can also edit or delete the taxes from the three-dot menu. Import invoices from any other third-party applications by clicking this button. You can sort the list based on invoice date. Also, you can choose the number of entries and customize the columns displayed in the table from here. Export the list to different formats by clicking this button.